So the fourth round starts with the 4 raising loops, and there will be arches of 8 loops. Treble crochet goes into the single crochet from the previous round, which was connected to the treble crochet from the previous round. So in this case, we see that the chart has those arrows in here. Let's try and start with the raising loops. 4 raising loops. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yarn over 2 times. We keep our, don't forget to keep it with the finger to help yourself. We find the single crochet which goes into the treble crochet from the previous round. This one. And we make treble crochet into it. And again 8 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Treble crochet into the single crochet. This way we will have those arches. In the end, we will find the 4th loop, which goes instead of treble crochet, and we make a slip stitch into it. See you in the end of the round. We are in the end of the round, and here we are making the connection, the slip stitch into the 4th loop from the beginning, like that.